Welcome to Eye Training course. Learning relaxation to improve vision naturally. Learning relaxation techniques is the first step to start improving your eyesight naturally. Almost all eye problems are caused by eye strain. The most common problem that affects millions of people worldwide is eye strain. Eye fatigue causes vision problems. The most common eye fatigue occurs when the eyes are overused by long-term focus on screens or books or any other close-up work. Eye fatigue usually causes discomfort, eye strain, astigmatism, which is double vision, myopia, which is spasm of accommodation, and eyes cannot focus far. The most popular eye relaxation technique are blinking every second, palming, closing your eyes for a few seconds to reduce eye strain, getting good sleep for proper recovery, and much more. Eyesight improvement program. In this mini course, I would like to share relaxation techniques that I personally use. These relaxation methods help me to eliminate accommodative spasms. First and the most helpful method to relieve eye fatigue and get better vision naturally is meditation to relax facial muscles. It works 100%. When I was listening to this meditation, my eye muscles were able to relax and came out of an accommodative spasms, which I have had for about 20 years, and it caused myopia. As soon as you will be able to eliminate spasm of accommodation, your eyes will start focusing at a different distances again, and you will be able to see better than before. The second super effective relaxation techniques is dynamic relaxation. It is the basis of any eye exercises. Dynamic relaxation is the first starting part of eye exercise performance. It's like we warming up in a gym before the training session. We need to enter a relaxed state and perform eye exercises, relaxed and without eye tension. With eye exercises, we need to stretch eye muscles and relax them even more. And in no case, we no need to increase eye strain. Learning relaxation to improve vision naturally is a crucial part of your journey to get better vision naturally. You cannot skip relaxation methods if you want to get better eyesight. If you want a more in-depth, comprehensive eye training online program to get better vision naturally, here below for your Eyesight Academy course, a link in the description.